In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Calendar to your WordPress site. This is a handy way to keep your site visitors updated with your events or schedule. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to access Google Calendar. Head over to your favorite web browser and navigate to Google Calendar by typing in the URL or searching for it on your preferred search engine. Once you're in your Google Calendar, look for a column on the left-hand side that contains your list of calendars. Hover over the calendar you want to embed on your WordPress site. You should see 3 dots appearing next to it, the options menu you're going to need. Click on these 3 dots. This small action is crucial as it'll unveil a drop-down menu with more settings options for your calendar. From this drop-down menu, select the option labeled Settings and Sharing. Clicking this will redirect you to a new page containing all the customization options and settings for your calendar. As you scroll down the settings page, look for the section labeled Integrate Calendar. This section is your goldmine. Here, you'll see an embed code box. This code is what we will use to add the calendar to your WordPress site. Don't worry if you're not familiar with HTML. Embedding this code is straightforward. Before you copy the code, you can take a moment to customize how your calendar will look. You might find options to modify the size, colors, and even title. Feel free to experiment with these settings until it matches what you have in mind. Once you're satisfied with the customization, go ahead and copy the embed code. With the code copied, it's time to move over to your WordPress site, log into your WordPress dashboard. In the dashboard, locate the Pages link in the left-hand menu. Click on Pages to view all your current WordPress pages. Next, you're going to want to add a new page. Click the Add New button, which is usually at the top of the WordPress Pages section. This creates a fresh blank canvas for you to work on. Inside the WordPress editor, look for a little plus sign that allows you to add new blocks to your page. Click on it and start typing Custom HTML into the search bar. Select Custom HTML when it appears. Once you've got the Custom HTML block inserted into your page, paste the Google Calendar embed code that you copied earlier into this block. The excitement mounts as you prepare to preview everything. Before finalizing and publishing, go ahead and hit preview to see how the calendar looks on your site. It's a good way to confirm everything appears as you'd like it. And that's it! You've successfully embedded your Google Calendar into your WordPress site. This seamless integration helps keep your readers in the loop with your scheduled events. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!